In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a team member from Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take someone off a task so they stop getting updates without affecting their access to the rest of your workspace or projects. Start by opening Asana and landing on the home screen. This is your hub, and it ensures you're in the right place before you make any changes. If you work across multiple organizations or teams, just take a second to confirm you're in the correct workspace where the task lives, so you don't hunt in the wrong spot. Next, head to My Tasks on the left side. This view shows tasks assigned to you and is a quick way to navigate to the item you want to manage. Even if the task you're editing belongs to a project, you can still reach it from here if it's on your plate. If you prefer navigating through a project, that's fine too, but My Tasks is often the fastest route. Open the task you want to update. The Task Details panel appears on the right. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct task by checking the title, description, and any subtasks or due dates. Removing a collaborator will stop their notifications on this specific task, so it's worth double-checking you've got the right one. Scroll to the bottom of the task details to find the Collaborators section. Collaborators are the people who follow the task and receive notifications when something changes. If you don't immediately see this section, make sure the Details panel is fully expanded so all fields are visible. Now locate the person you want to remove and click the X next to their name. Asana may prompt you to confirm. Go ahead and accept. The collaborator will be removed from this task's follower list and will no longer receive updates. This change applies only to the specific task you're viewing. It does not remove the person from the project, the team, or your Asana workspace. It's a clean way to reduce noise for someone who no longer needs to be looped in. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. You typically need edit permissions on the task to remove other collaborators. If you can't remove someone, check your access level or ask a task owner or project admin to make the change. You can always add the person back later using the Add Collaborator option if circumstances change. And if your goal is to fully remove someone from your organization, that's a separate admin process. What we just covered is specifically for task level notifications. That's it. You've now removed a team member from a task in Asana quickly and confidently.